The experience that is here is so completely immersive to see and experience seed to seal on a very, very personal level. It is impossible to come here and to not leave with 100% confidence in Young Living as a company.
It's so great to look around and see half of the people here being from your team and knowing that you're here experiencing this unique opportunity together.
I don't like the cold, I don't like the snow, so this is totally out of my comfort zone, and I made the best decision ever. I've met 24 other beautiful people I have never met before.
I posted about it earlier and said it's like summer camp, except clearly it's winter.
Welcome to Winter Harvest 2018! Woo!
Lots of clearance. If you hear something backing up, make sure you get eyes on it and make sure they're not backing in your direction.
At the distillery, and we got to be involved in the entire process of making the balsam for essential oil. So when we first got there, they took what they had already distilled and showed us that the tree material is darker after it is cooked, so they took that out of one of the tanks. And then they had piles of tree material already off to the side that they had already cut down from the trees on the farm. Anyway, we took the piles of the tree material and we scooped that in using the bobcat, so everybody got a turn scooping all of the tree material into the cookers.
Different than when you left? You're just here now, it's all the way down to the stainless steel. Something you're going to notice is going to smell quite a bit different when you get it in the bottle. And then the oil fresh off the separator smells quite a bit different. So here it is. No, this is pure oil.
This is literally a dream come true for me, to be able to come here and to spend time with my team, see them enjoy the process and enjoy the experience of everything from loading up the chips into the cooker and seeing the distillation and bottling our own oils, to doing beauty school, learning the raindrop together, to sit and learn from each other and brainstorm and ask questions. The experience they're getting here at Winter Harvest is something that I could never provide in a training all by myself somewhere else.
awestruck and fall in love. It's Young Living. This is why I love this company.